Hey there, I hope this had not enough residence facilities, so that is why they could not offer me. And they told me that you can apply again, showing your UniAssist report. Then, as early as possible, we will offer you. So this is why I am applying. And I want to inform you that if you are from Europe, then or if you are from European country, first time you can apply following my process. If you are from non-European country like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, or any other countries, then you must have to apply through UniAssist. So let's go. Online application. Click the online application, and then it's a German, and make it English easily. About my application, click here, and in the first page, first time as I completed this process, first time you have to submit the basic information about yourself, your email address, your contact details. Then when you complete your registration, you will get a link on your given email, and from there you will set your password, and after getting you will also get a user ID. After then use your user ID and also use your password which you choose after getting the link on your email. And that actually when your if you are applying for masters, when your bachelor result was published, and if you are applying for bachelor, when your higher secondary school certificate was published, write down the date of your result publication, then go the further process. And now you are submit you are choose your PDF file. Must remember, you have to submit the PDF file. Certificate or performance summary, I also submitted up to 2 file. You can apply this section. Then this is why I uploaded my bachelor certificate. I completed my BBA, and I also submitted my transcript certificate. And here you write your credit, how many credit you completed on your bachelor's. As in our country, from which university I completed my bachelor, there I completed 180 credit. I selected it and then go further. And here see, actually they are asking for your CV, so I cross this CV because of I want to upload a new CV which I more. Then go further. And guys, I am requesting you that if you are new this channel, so don't forget to subscribe. And here you also get they will ask you for submitting your language certificate if you are from non-native English country. So yeah, I already completed my IELTS exam. Even I also, some of you would have medium of instruction certificate. If university accept it, then you can submit it. It's better to get a professional certificate like IELTS or any other professional language which accepted by international universities. So I submitted it. This is my language certificate. See here they will give you options to submit your motivation letter. Special security means your job certificate only. I am giving my letter of motivation. Let's check it. Yeah, I already submitted it, but I submit it again, or I upload it again. There you could not submit it, no problem. Then go further. Special stability mean that your experience certificate. See, this is my application form, and before submitting your application, let's check it carefully, because this is very important for you. If you will make any mistakes, then they would think that you are not active, so this is why they will not give you the offer letter or a letter of admission. This is why I'm telling you that, guys, try to make your each and every documents, make it professionally by yourself. If it is possible for you, do your all activities by yourself, because it will be really helpful for you to do your all activities easily. By the way, if you need any help, let's your comment, then I will try to. If you need any information, then see, actually I see that actually my all documents here is okay. So this is why job certificate I also submitted Yeah, I submitted my all certificates and uploaded my all certificates. Now I am going to submit my application. Yeah, then you will see that actually my status will be received. Yeah, see, received. If I am showing you, this is my status received, then in progress, then they will check it and check out. And if your course is non-restricted, they will provide you or offer you a letter of admission before application deadline. Or if your course is restricted, then they will, after completing the all application period or application deadline, then they will analyze the all applicants application, and whose profile is better, they will offer them. Yeah, for today it's uh, for today, no more today. And thank you so much for watching these videos, and thank you so much. And I will also give you another video how you will apply through UniAssist. It is also very easy. Don't worry guys, and be careful about each and every steps of your upload journey. Thank you so much. Have a nice time with you.